Amber Heard planning to appeal the blockbuster verdict that found her liable for defaming Depp.
They did not believe her. Why do you think they did not believe her?
Falso in uno, falso in omnibus. If you're lying about one thing, you're lying about everything. That's the credibility of a witness.
She was overwhelmingly seen as a liar and not a credible witness.
There were so many things that were absolutely, provably false.
I think that a lot of that was that it was Johnny Depp.
You're on this losing side. To be honest with you, nothing can be gained.
To say that Amber Heard is unhappy with the jury's verdict from the Depp versus Heard defamation suit is putting it lightly. The never-ending legal drama between the two actors have obviously left the DC entertainer disgruntled, as Amber is reportedly set to tackle the court's decisions. But let's just say many observers think it's a terrible choice for the 36-year-old. So is Amber truly appealing the jury's judgment? And if so, does she stand a chance this time? Less than 24 hours and following a guilty verdict of the jury in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard $50 million defamation suit between the estranged couple, the Mirror actress, per her statement that was released shortly after the judgment was reached, has now made her decision to appeal the case, known to the general public via her lawyer, Elaine Charleston Bredehoft. Appearing on the Today Show to discuss the judgment, Amber's attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, told the network that her client absolutely plans to appeal the verdict and that she has some excellent grounds for it. "We had an enormous amount of evidence that was suppressed in this case that was in the UK case. In the UK case, when it came in, Amber won and Mr. Depp lost," Amber's lawyer said on TV. Not only that, Heard's lawyer Elaine seemed to blame their losing of the case to a number of reasons, ranging from suppression of very significant medical records dating back to 2012 that allegedly showed a pattern of Heard reporting Depp's alleged abuse to her therapist, to also insisting that the jury's final resolution had been greatly influenced by public opinion, despite strict orders from the judge not to read anything about the case outside of the court. "There's no way they couldn't have been influenced," Elaine theorized. Bredehoft continued by saying, "The court found there, and we weren't allowed to tell the jury this, but the court found that Mr. Depp had committed at least 12 acts of domestic violence, including sexual violence against Amber. You'll be reminded that in 2020, a British High Court ruled that it was substantially true to describe Johnny Depp as a wife-beater, to which Depp lost the libel case he had filed against the Sun newspaper due to the judge's ruling." Bredehoft's statement, however, did not do too much to convince the public that neither Elaine nor Amber have an ounce of repentance in them when it came to the Depp abuse allegations. One fan called out Amber's attorney saying, "I used to feel bad for Elaine because her client was a liar. Now I can see they are perfectly made for each other. You attract what you are, and all the people around Amber are just like her. Elaine Bredehoft just wants more money. You won't win an appeal," said another. You can bet Amber's agitation for appeal wasn't in any way or form welcome, for as soon as it hit mainstream media, many instantly took to their social media pages to state that the actress is just salty she lost. I don't know why Amber is so upset. Johnny only did what she told him to do. Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them I, Johnny Depp, a man, I am a victim of domestic violence, and see how many people side or believe you. He did that. The world thankfully believed him, one fan tweeted. While many Depp fans were visibly upset, some were quick to point out that Amber appealing the court's decision would not bode well for the Aquaman's actress in the long run. Amber Heard lied so badly that even if she won the appeal, it would cost her more damage reputation-wise. "We all witness lies in her dry crying," a Twitter user commented. While another fan replied, "Amber Heard is effed. Not only can she not discharge the judgment through bankruptcy since the jury found she acted with malice, but Virginia apparently required her to post a bond for the entire judgment amount plus attorney fees if she wants to appeal. A lot of his evidence was also suppressed, including audio recordings of the moment she took his finger off. Just saying," one person simply said. Although it may seem like the general consensus is that Amber's decision to appeal is malicious, some supporters of the Rum Diary actress appear to believe otherwise. Amber Heard has excellent grounds for appeal, as a lot of her evidence was suppressed. What court trying to establish the truth would suppress the contemporaneous notes of several medical professionals? Not sequestering the jury, allowing influence and intimidation, one Heard fan was quick to point out. To which another replied, "He admitted to headbutting her on tape. He was intimidating on video. This is so obvious." On Wednesday, the 1st of June 2022, a 7-person jury had found Amber Heard guilty of intentionally and maliciously defaming her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, when she wrote her 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post about alleged domestic abuse abuse she had suffered in a previous relationship, even though she didn't mention Depp's name. The verdict, which came mostly in favor of Depp in his $50 million defamation suit he had filed against Heard, not only found that Amber had ill intentions towards her former spouse, but also awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages to the tourist actor, which means the Aquaman star will be coughing up $15 million to Depp. Although Judge Penny Ascarade, who presided over the case, reduced the punitive damages to Virginia's statutory cap of $350,000, it's become pretty clear that Amber Heard was very dissatisfied with the judge's ruling and somewhat believes to have been a great injustice to her, hence her decision to file an appeal. Heard, who countersued Depp, also went home with a small victory as she was awarded $2 million by the jury for Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman, calling her abuse allegations a hoax. Do you think Amber should appeal? If so, do you believe she has a second chance of winning? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to check out Amber's lawyer rages on Johnny's team for using illegal actions to win. Thanks for watching.